Okay, good morning, students. This is our second lecture for the semester, and we'll be learning how to set up the AutoCAD user interface. As you remember from our last lecture, we had set up the master drawing file. We saved the drawing file so that we don't have to always come back to restart or reset everything again. So this is an easy way to draw an AutoCAD. Once a master template file is set, it makes life much easier. So our first command for today, the first thing we'll learn for today, will be how to set up the user preferences in AutoCAD. So the first thing we do is right click on this little space on the bottom and click Snap Settings, and we will come up with this tab. So snaps allow you to easily draw in AutoCAD. It will magnetically, or it will feel like it's magnetic, and pull your mouse towards it when you find an end point or a midpoint or a center, geometric center, node, quadrant, etc., etc. So on the first tab, Snap and Grid, we must activate Snap On, or you could use the F9 key. The second thing we'll do is make sure that our polar snap is on. Under polar tracking, do not activate this. Object snap, please select all. All these options should be selected. Object snap on. Under 3D snap, we're not getting into that right now. Dynamic input, not getting into that as well, and the rest of the tabs can be left as is. The second thing that we will do is configure our options. So we're going to click on options, and we'll click on the first tab, files. Under this section, we will not change anything. Under display, the first thing that we should do is AutoCAD by default starts off with a very dark gray background, and we want this to be solid black. So we'll click on colors, and then under uniform background or 2D model space, make sure that those two are selected and select black. Click apply and close, and you would have noticed that your screen is completely black. Under crosshair size, make sure that it is 55, and that's fine. Click on open and save. We're not changing anything in this tab. Plot and publish, we're not changing anything there. System, we're not changing anything there. User preferences, nothing. Under drafting, auto snap marker size, make this slightly larger. Aperture size, also make it larger. Then you go to 3D modeling, which will not change anything in this profile. Selection, this is a very important one, students. The big box size must always be made bigger so that you'll be able to select objects much easier. So always make this bigger, always closer to the right hand side. Under profiles, you're not changing anything, and online, nothing. So you click apply and OK, and you click OK again. So an easy way to get into the options menu is to type OP, enter, and you would see it comes up here, and then we easily have the screen. So guys, remember, for your snaps, right click snap settings, snap on, polar snap on, polar tracking, we're not changing anything in this tab. Make sure all your snap modes are selected and your object snap is on. Just easily select all. 3D snap, we're not changing anything, and the rest we're not changing anything. So that's it for this simple lesson. Thank you.